receivers and managers appointed. Approximately 3,369 square meters of vacant waterfront land, to be sold as one block or 3 individual blocks. Title is expected to be issued shortly. Point position with long, wide, uninterrupted main river views, with approximately 141 meters of direct water frontage. Proposed lot 316 has a total site area of 1,002 square meters. Proposed lot 317 has a total site area of 1,436 square meters. And proposed lot 318 has a total site area of 931 square meters. Located in a fantastic position in one of the Gold Coast's most desirable suburbs, allowing you to walk to cafes, restaurants and golden surf beaches of Main Beach. 126 and 151 Commodore Drive, Paradise Waters.